Hey enthusiasts, welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips. Today, we're unboxing a beast, the RalliWolf RG2100, a 2000-watt professional heat gun made in India. Whether you're into DIY, electronics, or automotive work, this tool promises serious power. Let's unbox it, check its features, and put it to the test. First, let's see what's inside the box. Heat gun unit is heavy-duty build. Ergonomic grip. Build quality is robust plastic housing with heat-resistant coating. Long power cord. Variable temperature control dial, 50 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. This isn't just a heat gun, it's packed with pro features. 2000-watt motor, high airflow for fast heating. Adjustable temp, 50 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius. Show dial settings, 2 speed settings, low-high, demo airflow sound, overheat protection, safety auto cutoff, dual nozzles. Explain uses, e.g. shrinking tubes, paint stripping. Warning, always use heat-resistant gloves and goggles. You can use it to heat shrink tubing, paint stripping, bending PVC pipe, and many more. Its pros are powerful 2000-watt performance, faster than 1500-watt models. Precise temp control, great for delicate jobs. Durable build, feels like it'll last years. Good value, compared to Bosch, Steinl. Its cons are heavier than some competitors, may cause fatigue. Nozzles get very hot, need careful handling. Cord could be longer, extension cord recommended. So, is the RalliWolf RG2100 worth it? If you need a reliable high-power heat gun for serious work, this is a fantastic choice, especially for the price. It's built tough, heats up fast, and handles professional tasks with ease. For casual users, a cheaper 1500-watt model might suffice, but for pros, this is a winner. That's it for today. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tool reviews, and let me know in the comments what should I unbox next. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Evergreen Tech Tips.